In this video, we're looking at a customer support center for a computer manufacturer, and it receives an average of 2.4 phone calls every 5 minutes. So that should tell you it's Poisson because it's for an interval of time. Assume the number of calls received follow the Poisson distribution. What is the probability that no calls will arrive during the next 5 minutes? So lambda is 2.4 and x is 5. And we're going to use, in questions 5 through 10, you're going to be using Excel. So for Excel, when you're doing Poisson, you're going to do equals Poisson dot dist, and then first you're going to put in x. So we said no calls, so x is going to be 0. Then lambda was 2.4. Okay, 2.4. And we could put either cumulative or not here because it's 0. Okay, so the answer would be 0.0907. So the probability that no calls will come in within the next 5 minutes is about a 9% probability. So we're rounding to 4 decimal places. All right, let's look at the next one. The probability that 3 or more calls will come in. So we're going to have to use the complement rule here. We don't want to include 0, 1, and 2, so we're going to find that probability out up to 2 and subtract it from 1. So Poisson dot dist, and this time we want to know for up to 2, and the mean was, I keep forgetting the mean, 2.4. And we want it to be cumulative, so we're going to select true. Now this is the probability of it being 3 or less, and we want more than 4 or more. No, this is the probability of 2 or less, and we want 3 or more. So we're going to do 1 minus that. We're using the complement rule. These complement each other. They add up to 1. This is 2 or less, and this is 3 or more. And together they add up to 1. So the probability there is 0.4303. Okay, let's look at part C. The probability that 3 calls will arrive during the next 10 minutes. So we're looking at the next 10 minutes. If we have an average of 2.4 phone calls for 5 minutes, well, if we double that, the average for 10 minutes would be 4.8. So let's look at that. Poisson, and then instead of, we're going to do 3 calls, and the mean, we're doubling the mean because we're doing 10 minutes. And we want it just for 3. We don't want it to be cumulative. So that would be 0.1517. Okay, and on part D, the probability that no more than 2 calls will arrive during the next 10 minutes. So it's going to be the same thing. Here was 2, and here we want no more than 2. So we want 0, 1, 2, so 2 or less up to 2. So we're going to use cumulative. So 2 is the same as the one above, except this time we're going to do cumulative. And so we get 0.1425.